Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado ripe quickly. We'll explore several effective methods to speed up the ripening process, ensuring you can enjoy your avocados sooner. You'll learn about using common household items and understanding the natural science behind ripening. Get ready to transform those hard avocados into creamy perfection in no time. The paper bag method is highly effective. Simply place your unripe avocado into a brown paper bag. To accelerate the process, add a ripe banana or apple, as these fruits release ethylene gas, a natural ripening agent. Loosely seal the bag to trap the gas, then check your avocado's softness daily until it reaches your desired ripeness. For a very quick fix, you can try the oven or microwave, but be aware this alters texture. For the oven, wrap the avocado in foil and bake at a low temperature for a short period. Alternatively, microwave in 30-second bursts. While these methods soften the fruit quickly, they often compromise the creamy texture and rich flavor of a naturally ripened avocado. Once your avocado is perfectly ripe, store it in the refrigerator to slow down further ripening and extend its freshness. Unripe avocados should always be kept at room temperature to allow them to soften naturally. To test for ripeness, gently squeeze the fruit. It should yield slightly. Enjoy your perfectly ripe avocado within a few days for the best taste.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.